And we're back to Exercism. Let us go over run length encoding right here. It's pretty simple. Principle behind it, we get a string, and whenever there are similar letters or characters, we can just count them and then add it as a number before the character, and this will make it smaller. Second example is a little bit easier to read. So we have AA, this can also be written as 2A, then 1B, then CCC, which can also be written as 3C, 1D, and then 4 E's. So this makes our string way smaller and simplifies it. We want to encode it and decode it. Let me paste my solution right here. And I'm going to show this on a regex tester. It explains what all of these flags and these expressions are for. For example here, \w\s and so forth. Let me turn off the dark mode so that we can actually read it. \w right here matches any word character. Then we've used \s, which is for white space characters. We've used 1+ and the G flag. Or 1+ matches the character with the specific index, and plus is for the previous token. So we want to find, let's say, an A character, and if it is 7 times in there, we want this to be found, and we've used the G flag. Once again, I'll link to this site. You can read all about it here. Oh, and I forgot, for the decoding we've used \d so that we get back, and I make it white again so that we can read it. But I've also used this one right here, matches a digit, because we have to retranslate it when we have, for example, 4E. This digit needs to be covered by our regex. In the replace right here, let me comment this out, and we'll go over the replace first for encoding. We've passed the first 6 tests. Let me use test 3. So first one is AA. This should be translated to 2A. Therefore we need \w. There's no white space in it. We're good here. Then 1+ finds it 2 times. Global flag. Then I have to find a match and a C, which is the specific character. In this case our A. And we'll add that to the length. So match.length will be translated to 2. In this case for the letter A, and 3 for B, 4 for C. Decoding does the inverse. Let me run it. And once again we have a match and the character C and T. This is how many times a character is in there. Let me use test 11. We have 2, then white space. So we need to add 2 white spaces to our decoding string. White space covered by \s. T finds the 2 in this case, and it defines that we repeat the character, which is the white space, 2 times via c.repeat with T inside of the parentheses. As you can see, it runs. So this is how you can solve run length encoding in JavaScript on Exercism. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.